First of all, before we go any further, I just want to tell y'all, I miss y'all. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Treasure Monroe, and you already know what time it is. Welcome to Treasure's World, where I am bringing you another video or makeup tutorial. Now, let me calm myself down because it's been a minute since I've been on here. I told you guys at the beginning of the year I was gonna try to be more consistent, and I'm trying my best. Life is just lifing, and not even in a bad way. I'm just really extremely busy, and so I try to do what I can do when I can do, how I can do what I can do. That's all I can tell y'all. But I'm here today to bring you another tutorial. Without further ado, if you like this look and you want to know where I've been at, then definitely keep watching. Now, don't judge my head today. So I know it's been a minute, right? Where have I been? What's been going on, girl? Where you been at? Let me tell y'all. Hold on. So I have had a life update and a huge life change. So I quit my job. But it's been great. So I quit my job to get my license to be a master cosmetologist, which is a license to teach cosmetology. I love it. I love school. I love the students. I love that there's a need for me. Now my clients, however, not so happy. Not so happy at all. I'm moving with a purpose. I'm in the right place, doing the right thing, and I'm super excited. I just wanted to let y'all know that's where I've been at. I'm gonna do a green look today for sure, because it's spring and spring is springing. Y'all, let's get into this face.
Take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your guard. Rocking with you, you're as good as it gets, but you're so scared of real love, real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run, jump the gun. You got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you running for. You don't have to try so hard.
Okay, so I did just go in and prime my face, and I used the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer to prime my face, and as y'all can see, it is like literally already gone. I also like the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer as well, and I always go in with a combination of the two with just a little bit, and it smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. And now, I'm not going to be using my regular foundation, but today, y'all, we are going to be trying something different. I got a lot of goodies, and these are Mary Kay products that my aunt gave to me. We're going to be going in with trying this out. So today, I'm going to try out the matte 3D foundation, and this is in the shade Bronze C170.
Dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why you going nowhere special? Just going to the store, I think I'd have it all.
Is that not giving skin? Don't play with it.
She is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself.
What y'all think? Looking good. Okay, thank y'all.
Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and then she could pull out all the little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right.
I'm going back with my foundation brush. I'm just gonna blend out those edges, soften it up. Now usually I do a really bright under eye. Not today. I'm feeling like caramel is bright enough for me. It's super old, y'all. Now usually I use a sponge, but I'm going to use the same brush. Tap it off. And I'm going to apply that right underneath my eye. Gonna set. I'm gonna let allow that to sit. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush, and I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals Bare Pro, and this is the this is powder foundation, and it's in the shade Truffle 29, and I'm going to set the rest of my face. Now I'm gonna go in with my, this is the Morphe 8D palette. So I'm gonna go in with the darkest 2 and contour my face with it. I'm gonna take my foundation brush that I used to set, and I'm just gonna tap pat on those corners to get rid of the harshness. Directly underneath the eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the matte and poreless normal to oily press powder, and I'm gonna press this under my eyes. Very good. My current favorite blush, my favorite blush of all times is the Juvia's Place Bella, but I wear it more so in the summertime. But right now, y'all, I've had this palette for at least 5 years as well, when Crayon case first came out. But my favoritist blush shade at the moment is this beautiful color right here. Very good, and I look so good, girl, with this lip plumper.